Alright, YouTube, I ain't gonna talk too much, but y'all ain't finna hear me. But I'm back outside. I'm back outside right now. My boy SRT Breezy need, man. Oh, they got my boy Shady. They got everybody outside right now. Dang. Hey, we didn't walk down there. I'm gonna walk down that way. I gotta walk down that way. I'm about to try to get all the cars out here that I can for y'all, because I know I ain't posting a minute, and I know y'all gonna be blowing me up still. But y'all gotta follow me on TikTok, RedWolf_V8. I be majority on TikTok now. Can you put that on my window? Can you put that on my window?
What?
Striker. Hey, feel like somebody sliding back there. I'm dead. But they got a whole bunch of cars out here. I ain't gonna lie. Now that's fire right there. Striker, I like that.
You want one?
I need you to do that decal for me. Ooh.
You wanna do it today?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on the left side.
He's gonna bleed that shit for real.
I know, I'm gonna put it on the left side.
Well, what's going on?
I'm in a real strike. I'm in a real strike today, y'all boys. My car just got broken into. Not even broken into. They just popped my window. And that orange fire, but I ain't gonna cap. That bit fire. Damn. Oh, that angle out, that's one of the hardest second gens right there. Quan got one too on God, but that's one of the hardest ones too. I love this color right here. They got that green eye. Ooh, look at that wild bud. Oh, I ain't peep. Hold on. 1 minute, 2 minute mark. Oh, that's the one I seen yesterday, Flair. The white one right here, the Challenger wide body. I seen that one yesterday.
I have a question. Why you had me walk over down here?
Cause man, they got that shit down here. Now we finna walk back up though. I just had it. They been put on a trailer. Is this somebody fan on? Let me know if I should take my doors off, y'all boys. I'll take my doors off right now. Bothered that was Sam. I'm gonna walk back up towards the front. I gotta get majority of the cars for y'all. Which one? The green? I just seen a light blue one yesterday. A light blue Tesla.
With the white tail light shit?
I think so. It was a light blue one. I seen that shit. I was like, dang.
You wouldn't do your lights like that?
Like what?
The white ones.
I would. Yeah, I would.
Everybody chilling in their car?
Hold on. Who in that car? Who in that car? I'm dead. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. That wide body fire. I should wide body mine. Look at that. That's hard. You got a point. You know how much money you would have made? A lot.
I could have set the machine up out here.
Them look like two set. Nah, them 305s. Oh yeah, that's a cat. Them most definitely 305. Bro, look at the second gens though. We gotta talk about this. Nah, that's hard. I like it. Matter of fact, you know which one I'm looking for though? The white Chrysler. That color's stupid. That'd be hard right there. That'd be stupid. I like that. All right, we gotta get the car slotted. That's OD. Flip. Gotta show y'all boys the tracks. Gotta show y'all the tracks. Nah, that's hard. That's hard right now. That's fire. That's fire. Look at the brakes on it. That's hard right now. Hey, we gotta get into the gate. We gotta get into the gate. Yeah. I better say you can't even do it right now.
Hey, what the name start with?
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what I was about to say?
Nah, I thought you was gonna say something else. Oh, that was hard.
Car fly this way when we're done.
Well, I see the can. They sliding the can over there. That's hard. Hold on, go ahead. Perfect spot. It ain't that loud. I think I got bit by something.
Nigga, what?
Swear to God, my arm got. Oh, dang. Man, it's jumping out here. It's lit.
Alright, bro. What did drink say?
At a vendor.
I told you.
Oh, not the Tesla. Hey, Flood, you gotta slide yours. And that's the big model.
Elon would like this.
Elon don't approve of it.
That shit losing 20% right now.
The battery is draining.
Bruh.
Hey, Elon though.
He whipping the fuck out that shit there.
God.
It's quiet as hell like It's quiet as hell like
I shouldn't have said it.
Man, like this
It's
shit
crazy.
put it up, bro. Oh, that front one tripping.
I like the ski mask though, I ain't gonna lie. That been fire.
Look at that shit flip over. A battery pack
My
on.
video gonna hit 1 million views by tomorrow.
He whipped that shit though.
He did.
Stop.
Bro, we gotta move, bro. We gotta move. It's a vendor right there. Hold on, oh, never mind. One more minute and I got 10 minutes. No. There we go.
Okay. And, 90 days.
Get the winner.
Get your ass in there, bro.
I'll run on there.
Chad's gonna be like, y'all got a broken foot.
Better bring your ass to work tomorrow.
Dumbass.